How to install your Kavonix bike tire studs. Ready to take on snow and ice with confidence? Here's how to install your Kavonix screw-in tire studs in just 5 easy steps. Step 1. Check your tires. Make sure your tread depth is at least 5 to 7 mm, and give your tires a quick clean. Step 2. Prepare the studs. Lay them out and make sure you've got the right length and count, usually about 100 to 150 per tire. Step 3. Install. Attach the installation bit to a variable speed drill. Place the stud into a tread block, and screw it in slowly. No need for pre-drilling, glue, or fancy tools. Step 4. Set it flush. Stop when the stud shoulder sits level with the rubber. Don't over-tighten, you just want the carbide tip to show. Step 5. Inspect and test. Spin the tire to make sure every stud is even, then take a slow test ride to feel that solid grip. That's it, you're ready for confident winter riding with Kavonix. More grip, more control, more adventure.